Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to play the Super Mario Bros. Theme on the piano. We'll start by finding middle C, which is often the fourth C from the left on an 88-key piano. Then, we'll focus on the right-hand melody. You'll use notes like C, G, E, and A to build the familiar tune. Take your time and get comfortable with these initial steps before moving on to the next section. Now, let's add the left-hand chords to complement your melody. We'll primarily use three chords: C major, G major, and F major. These are fundamental to the Super Mario Bros. Theme. Begin by practicing each chord individually until they feel natural. Then, try combining both hands very slowly. Focus on the coordination between your right-hand melody and your left-hand chords, ensuring a smooth transition. Mastering the rhythm is crucial for the Super Mario Bros. Theme's recognizable feel. Pay close attention to the timing and duration of each note. I recommend starting at a slow tempo, perhaps around 60 beats per minute, using a metronome. This allows you to internalize the rhythm accurately. Once you're comfortable, gradually increase the tempo by 5 or 10 beats per minute until you reach a comfortable playing speed. Consistent practice is key to mastering this piece. Aim for 15 to 20 minutes of focused practice each day. If you encounter a challenging section, break it down and practice it separately until it flows smoothly. Once you're confident with the basic theme, feel free to experiment. Try adding your own embellishments or exploring different stylistic variations to make the Super Mario Bros. Theme uniquely yours.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.